Hello, 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 hello. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. So, I guess I am clearly audible and visible. Hi. Hi, hello, good evening, everyone. I guess I'm clearly audible and visible. So, welcome to Matholics. We'll be starting. Hi, hi. I guess I'm all good, all good. So, we'll be starting the lecture in next 1 minute. This is all about the surface areas and volumes, PYQ series, lecture number one, board exams 2026. 2026 board exams, oriented sessions, class 10 maths, lecture number 1. Chapter name is surface areas and volumes, all PYQs. Last 5 years questions will be solving, short answer type, long answer type, MCQs, you said competency based questions, case based study questions, everything will be covered, need not to worry. Everything will be covered. Okay. So, good evening to all. Good evening. I guess everyone must have liked the session and do not forget to share with all your friends. Hi, hello, good evening, everyone. So let's start the session ASAP. This is surface areas and volumes. PYQ series lecture number one. Board exams 25-26, class 10th maths. Right. So this will be the format of solutions. We'll be starting the lecture very soon. So every one of you, can I have your names, please? Can I have your city names, please? From where you are, please write down in the comments. So the first question is: two cones have their heights in the ratio 1:3. There are two cones. They have their heights in the ratio 1:3, and the radii in the ratio 3:1. Okay. What is the ratio of their volumes? No, this question is solved, but try to understand. Sorted. So start. It is given that heights are in the ratio 1:3. That means two cones are there. Let the cone 1 is this, cone 2 is this. Cone 1, this is circle, cone 2. This is radius 1, this is h1. This is radius 2, this is h2. Okay. I think this is so very much clear that you have to take variables in this format, h1 and h2. Radius and radius are in the ratio 1:3. So R1 is 3y, R2 is y. You have to take x and y, right, for ratios. Heights are in the ratio 3:1, right? You can solve it like this also. You can solve it like this also to make it very, very simple. Simply, you can write it as like this. Method number 2 is far better and easier than this one. Wait, let me show you this way. Okay. So this is method number 2. This is method number 2. Let me take it this side. Okay. This is method number 2. Okay. Fine. So try to solve according to this method. Fine. Hmm. Okay. Now read the question. Now read the question again. Now read the question again. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. That's so good, Chirag. That's so good. Excellent. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Okay. So question, I guess every one of you is very much aware of. Two cones have the rights in the ratio 1:3. That means two cones. One cone is this. Other one is this. First cone height is h1, radius r1. Another cone height h2, radius r2. Right. So we have been given that heights are in the ratio 1:3. That means what? That means what? h1 upon h2 is 1 by 3. r1 by r2 is 3 by 1. It is given. Ratio is 3:1. So v1 by v2. What is volume of cone? Anyone? What is volume formula for cone? Anyone can tell me? Anyone can tell me what is the formula for volume of cone? Anyone? 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 Let's see if anyone is attentive here. Okay. If you write volume of cone, formula is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Everyone is aware of this formula, yes or no? Tell me in the comments. Yes or no? Yes, sir. 1 by 3 pi r square h, beta. Okay, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. Now, this is volume for cone. If it means cylinder, simple pi r square h. Okay. Now, volume of cone 1 upon volume of cone 2, what will it be? 1 by 3 pi r1 square into h1 whole upon second cone 1 by 3 pi r2 square into h2. Yes or no? 1 by 3 got cancelled, pi got cancelled. R1 square by R2 square means R1 by R2 whole square into H1 by H2 would mean it will be in the bracket H1 by H2. So what is R1 by R2? Tell me. R1 by R2. It is 3 by 1. I'll write 3 by 1 whole square into. What is H1 by H2? It is given 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. So it's nothing but 3 square is 9. 9 by 1 into 1 by 3. So final answer will be 3 ones are 3 threes are. So final ratio is 3:1. Got the point or not? So this is the ratio of volumes. Find the ratio of their volumes. This is the ratio of their volumes. Must copy so that we may move forward. Copy it. Understood? Got the point? Yes or no? Got the point? Yes or no? So copy it. Copy, copy. That's good. Okay. So next question, let's see. This was the first question of today's evening, right? Next question. So this is the question. The volume of a right circular cylinder is this. This is find the height of the cylinder. Okay. For this, what you'll do? Volume is given of a right circular cylinder. That means pi r square h is given. Yes or no? Tell me. Value of pi r square h is given. Yes or no? Tell me. I guess yes. Tell me the comments. Yes or no? Hmm? Formula for volume. Formula for the volume. Yes or no? Tell me. Volume of cylinder. Pi r square h. Yes or no? I think yes. Right. So if you find you have been given the volume of a right circular cylinder with its height equal to its radius, means what? It means what? Tell me. With its height equal to the radius is this. Height equal to the radius means h is equals to r. Height is equals to radius. This is given. Yes or no? Sorted. And if this is given, find the height of the cylinder. You can use the volume as this and equate it to the formula. For the cylinder, you have the formula that what? Pi r square h obviously is. Okay. So when pi r square h is equals to volume, so this is what? If this is given 25 1 by 7, convert this into complete fraction. 25 into 7 will be what? 175. 175 and 1, 176 by 7. So pi r square h equals to 176 by 7. Till this step, I think everything is clear. Till this step, I think everything is clear. Yes or no? Hmm. Yes or no? Tell me fast. Yes? Sorted. So pi r square h equals to 176 by 7. Now, you just put the value of pi as 22 by 7. R square will be what? Yes, r and h both are equal. So we just have to let r equals to x, h equals to x. Put these values. That's so pi r square h. That means x square into x. Yes or no? Yes. Now, what we are left with, this 7 will be cancelled by this 7. So 22 into x cube equals to this. So where this 22 will go? It will go down to the 176. Yes or no? Yes. So this 22 will go at the denominator. So here it will be x cube. So what will be 176 upon 22? What will be 176 upon 22? Can you cancel it? Yes or no? Can you cancel it? Yes or no? The comments fast, please. Hello and good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone. Tell me, if this is clear, 176 by 72, you can cancel it. Say it with 2. 2 11s are 2, then 2 8s are 16, remaining is 1, 2 8s are 16. 11 ones are 11 8s are. So finally, I got x cube equals to 8. Finally, I got what? X cube equals to 8. And then you find out the cube root of 8, you'll get the value of x, right? So you can compare it like this also, x cube equals to 8. So x cube equals to 2 cube. Comparing both sides, x is equals to 2. That's it. This is my answer. So what was x? It was the radius, it was the height of cylinder. So h and x both are equals to what? 2 centimeters. Copy it and I'll be moving forward. Yes, we can cancel it. Hello. Okay, you're from Ajmer. That's so good. That's so good. So when we cancel on both sides, do we have to take the value to right side? Okay, or can cancel as it is. You can cancel as it is. You can cancel this one can be cancelled by this one because this is single term and everything is in multiplication, right? Everything is in multiplication, not addition. If it would have been plus sign, you cannot cancel. You can take that value to the right hand side. But if it is multiplication, same term is there. You can cancel this 7 by this 7. In fact, this 22 you can cancel by this 176. 22 ones are, 22 eights are. Directly like this. 22 ones are, 22 eights are. If you know the tables, right? But for this time being, you must actually take the value to the denominator and then cancel it. Okay. Sorted. Got the point now? For this point, we can say, x cube equal to 2 cube. If you are not comfortable with this step, go by this step also. Okay, this is also correct. This is in fact more easier for all of you. Okay. Hello to everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. So we can move forward. Okay. So this is the class number 1, lecture number 1, free lecture on YouTube for surface areas and volumes. This is the PYQ for Cbse 2020. Now I'll be solving more good questions. See, this is just the starting. Okay, we are actually going to solve section D questions also, right? So this one, question number 1. Question number 1 we did for Cbse 2020. This is question number 2 and this is question number 3. I guess we must yes, we are having MCQs also, not to worry. We are having MCQs also. We are having, but we'll solve them later. First, we'll solve 2-3 marks questions. First, we are going to solve 2-3 marks questions, right? So what the question says, question is this. A solid hemisphere is in the shape of cone mounted on a hemisphere of same base. What does that mean? Anyone in the comments? I'm all good. How are you? Maths and Nordic sorted. More precise. So you are my most favorite teacher of history. You are also my good student of IIT, you know. I just thank you for having studies for the course of IIT JEE from me. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. Okay, let's move forward to this question only. What does this question say? See, a solid is in the shape of a cone. A cone like this. This is a cone. This is a cone. Okay. This is a cone. Okay. Now this cone is surmounted on a hemisphere. Would mean there is a hemisphere on the lower base and there is a cone on the top of it. Okay, got the point? Yes or no in the comments? I think a big yes. Okay, okay, sorted. Now just focus. Okay, what they are saying now, this is a solid, there is a hemisphere and a cone on the top of it. Okay, now if the curved surface areas of hemispherical part and the conical part are equal, that means curved surface area of the hemispherical part, that means this part, this lower part, curved surface area. Okay, and the conical part, that means the cone and the hemisphere, they both have curved surface areas equal. Okay, then find the ratio of the radius and the height of the conical part. That means r upon h you have to find out. R upon h you have to find out. Yes or no? Can I move forward? I think a big yes. Okay. See why people are saying so much of hearts. Okay, I don't need your hearts, I just need your wishes. Now then find the ratio of the radius and height. Means r upon h you have to find out. What is given? The curved surface area of the cone and curved surface area of hemispheres are equal. Okay, this is given. So how to find out? Tell me. Curved surface area of cone will be what? Pi RL, pi RL. That's equals to curved surface area of hemisphere. Anyone in the comments? Let's see. Curved surface area of hemisphere was the formula. Tell me. What is the formula? Tell me. Curved surface area of the hemisphere. Anyone in the comments? I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you. Anyone? What happened? What happened? Anyone in the comments? Curved surface area of hemisphere. What's the formula? Hmm. Yeah, I'm to seeing. You just tell me the formula. Hmm. Tomorrow is holiday. Can you take class at 11 a.m.? No, I'm actually not free according to your schedules. Sorry. 2 pi r square. Exactly. Yes. 2 pi r is the circumference. 2 pi r square is the correct answer. Okay. So 2 pi r square. Now pi rl equals to 2 pi r square. Pi got cancelled. R got cancelled with this square. So what is left? L. L equals to what? 2r. Is this thing clear? Radius came out to be equal to twice of radius. L came out to be 2r. Okay. Now you know that L square equals to what? For a cone, this is hypotenuse, this is height, this is base. Okay, perpendicular can you take call it? So we know that perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. So what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse in front of this 90 L. So L square equal to h square plus r square. H square plus r square. We've done this. So instead of L, we'll put 2r. H is h square. R is r square. Now solve it. 2r whole square will be 4r square equals to h square plus r square. R square gone to the left hand side. 4r square minus r square is what? 3r square. Yes. Yes. Fine. So 3r square equal to h square. Now we have to find the ratio r by h. So h square will come downwards. 3 will go here. So it will be 1 by 3. So r square by h square is 1 by 3. So taking square root on both sides, r upon h is 1 by root 3. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 3 will be 3. 1 by root 3, that means 1 is to root 3 is my answer. 1 is to root 3 is my final answer. Is it clear? So copy it ASAP. Copy it, copy it, copy it. Copy, copy so that we can move forward. If done, then tell me so that we can move forward. Done. Okay, let's move forward. Third one is done. Next. From a solid right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter and base 6 centimeter, base radius 6 centimeter, a right circular cone of same height and same base radius is removed. Is removed. Okay. A right circular cone of same height and same base radius is removed. Would mean what? If this is the cylinder, can you see the diagram? This is the level actually at which you must study, not on the bhaiya logs level, okay? The so-called bhaiya logs. Everyone is bhaiya, okay? From a solid right circular cylinder, this is the cylinder, okay? Of height 14 centimeter, this is height h equals to 14 centimeter. And base radius 6 centimeter, this radius is 6 centimeter. A right circular cone of same height and same base is removed. That means this is the cone and this is removed out of this. This is removed. If you can see, this complete green part is removed. Okay. So what will be left? There will be a cylinder with this curved surface already made and upper top will be open. Yes or no? Tell me in the comments. Find the volume of the remaining solid. Find the volume of the remaining solid. Yes or no? Can we move forward? If this is the correct scenario, that the volume of remaining part will be what? Volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. That's it. So out of the cylinder, you have to subtract the cone. Okay. So what is the volume of cylinder? 1 by 3 pi r square. Oh, sorry. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. Cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Subtract them. So pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h. Right. Now because height and radius is same, that's why we have written them together. Okay. So if you take the LCM as 3, what will we get? 3 pi r square h minus pi r square h. So what is 3 minus 1? 2. So 2 pi r square h by 3. So this 2 by 3 I have written it here. Pi is 22 by 7 into radius is what? Radius is 6 centimeter. So it is 6 square into height is what? 14. All these values when you cut them, 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. So this is 2 by 3 into 22 into 6 square will be 6 into 6. Cancel it and get the answer as 1056. If this is volume, answer will be in centimeter cubes. Okay. Answer will be in centimeter cube. Okay. Copy it so that we can move forward. Answer will be 1056 centimeter cube. 1056 centimeter cube. Copy it. Okay, let's move forward to next question. Question number 5. The capacity of a cylindrical glass tumbler of 125.6 centimeter cube. It is given. Capacity would mean what? Volume. Capacity is nothing but the volume. Okay. So volume is given. Fine. Volume is given. So this is the volume. If the radius of the glass tumbler, radius means R, it is 2 centimeter, then find its height. Height, very simple question. So just write cylinder as it is. So pi r square h is 125.6. Put the values. It is given the value of pi is 3.14. So just put the value 3.14. 3.14 into 2 square would mean r square is 2 square into h equals to 125.6. So you find h. So this 3.14 and 2 square will go on the downside. Then you solve it simply and get the answer to be 10 centimeters. Now the thing is to how to solve this one. It is nothing but I'll write 125.6 whole upon 3.14 into 2 square, right? This point vanishes and it is 100, right? This point vanishes, it is 10. Okay, 0, 0 cancel. 314 and 1256, if you see, is it 4 times 314? It is 4 times. 4, 2, this is 1 za, this is 4 za. And the 2 square, 4, 4 cancel. Only 10 is remaining. So 10 centimeter is the final answer. Copy it so that we can move forward. See, last step is this. This is actually 125.6 upon 3.14 into 2 square. So if this point goes, it will be 100 on the upside. If this point goes, it is 10 on the downside. This 0 and 0 got cancelled. This 314, if you multiply by 4, you will get this. You can check. Okay. That's what I said. And this is 2 square 4, 4 and 4 cancel. Only remaining will be this 10. This is what I said. Sorted? Can we go ahead? Okay, so this was question number 5 for today's evening. Now, next question. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. Well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14-meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly around it. That means this is a well. This yellow part is a well. When you dig it, you'll take the mud out of the sand out of it, right? And this sand has been evenly spread around of the well, the boundary of the well. Yeah, you bore a well in the ground, then take out the mud, take out the sand out, and put them circularly around the cylindrical circle which is actually created by you. Okay, so what to do? In the shape that is evenly spread all around it in the shape of a right circular ring of width 4 meter to form a platform. Find the height of the platform. Now you have to just find this height of the platform, that how high will actually go that platform. If you put sand out of around a circular tank, it will increase its height like this manner. Yes or no? Yes. So that's what you have to find, the height of this increased embankment or increased uh, platform, whatever you can say. Embankment or platform is one of the same thing, right? So from here onwards, we'll be having the solution tomorrow. We have lots of good questions. 30 questions PDF is already there. 30 questions PDF is already there for you guys. Okay, so that's it. I am signing off. We'll be meeting tomorrow with lots of good questions. Today we have done 5 questions. Tomorrow also we'll be doing 5 to 10 questions. In this way, 4 to 5 lectures will be completing this chapter. So that's it. This is JP sir signing off. We'll be meeting you tomorrow. Till then, good night. Take care. I love all of you. Bye-bye.